few little updates on things that we've changed or actually done. So didn't film this, but I put this together a couple weeks ago as our TV stand, and I am so in love. It's so beautiful. I don't know whether we're gonna still use that picture yet. I'm planning on putting it above the bar, which we're gonna get for right there, but I'm not sure if that is gonna be the picture. I'm still deciding. The other update is we put the shelf up. The picture frames are gonna have our pictures. I'm not sure. One might have our picture, which is the bigger one, and the smaller one might have some kind of art in it, but I am not sure as of yet. So we shall see on that. I'm still deciding. Yeah, and then the rug that just came in. I'm not gonna move it, but got a delivery from Ruggable. I'm so excited about this rug. We shall see exactly what it's giving, but I'm hoping it's big enough, because I don't know if you guys can see, but it kind of seems like it may be the perfect size. I don't know. Yeah, I'm kind of scared that it's gonna be a little small. Actually, another update. So I went and bought this water filter from Crate and Barrel. So this is the summer water filter, and we've been loving it so far. I hated buying water. It was so heavy to bring up all the time, and well, even though we now have like the trolley thing, but then I felt like we were wasting so much money. So here is what we decided on doing. We got a water filter, and I just keep that in the fridge. Can't really see exactly how it looks because yeah, it's kind of foggy on the inside because it's cold. It was in the fridge. So that's another update. We finished putting it up. It looks really nice, and I feel like everything's coming together well. So this is it, and like I said, it's from Ruggable, and it looks really pretty. This one I believe is by Nina Takesh. Style, not so sure. I'm gonna end up putting it on the screen, or if not in the description box, I can probably link it, but it's very pretty, and we got the 5x7 size, and I feel like it fits perfectly within our space. Some people might argue that we could have gone larger, but honestly, I love it the way it is. I feel like it's coming together exactly how I envisioned it. And I may have forgotten to mention, but the reason why we went with this is because they're quite pricey, but the reason why we went with them is because I wanted a white rug. I really wanted a white rug, and this I feel like fits so well in our space. And main reason was because these are be ready, like be ready. They're washable, so that's the reason why. Like, there's a mat underneath this which kind of holds the rug down itself, and then the top part, which is the cover, it's really soft and nice. It's really like, I don't know if you can see, but it's nice and soft. got another delivery, and it's the tables for the living room. I'm so excited about them. We got them on Friday. They shipped in about like 2 days, so that's not bad. So here it is in all its glory. It's like 2 little tables. They're nesting tables. And the little one actually has 2 drawers. If you guys can see, it has 2 drawers on either side. Twists around as well, which is convenient for the drawers. This one has storage space inside it, and this tabletop kind of lifts up the white part. It lifts up so it goes slightly higher if you need it to be. It goes a little higher like that, and then the storage space underneath, and then they are nesting, so you can push the smaller one underneath to kind of put it away if you don't need it. But I love the way they look when they are like that. It's so perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's more than I thought it would be. It's stunning. Hey y'all. So today I got a few things and I just wanted to share them with y'all real quick. I'm about to leave, but I had to do this real quick before leaving. So I went to Walmart and I found this sign. So I plan on putting it up the cabinets over there. It says our kitchen, and I just thought the little saying below was really funny. It says, if I had to stir it, it's homemade. Okay, we love it. Okay, so this is it, and it wasn't expensive. It was $7 and I thought it was worth it. So that's the first thing. Second thing, I actually went to Target and I got this. I already put the picture inside because I thought it was so cute. So I got this frame. This is me and my man, by the way. This is me and Jay. I got this frame and I feel like it's gonna match like our coffee table so well. So cute, and it's made out of like oak wood, I believe. I love it. It's gonna match our coffee table so well, and I'm gonna have it on top of the TV stand. I love it. This was $12, I believe. Next item I got was from Trader Joe's. It's like this dry plant. Yeah, I'm gonna cut them down a bit because they're gonna go in this vase, if you guys remember it. Yeah, these were not expensive. They're like $3, so had to get it. You already know. Then the next item I got was this little branch. Now this was expensive. I got this from Target. It's a pole eucalyptus stem, and it looks quite real, to be honest. So I got it. It was about $13, I believe, at Target for one stem, you guys, but it is what it is, okay? And then I got these. I don't know what they call these. I believe they have like labels on them. So this is, it says Queen Anne's lace bundle. So this is also a faux plant, and it looks real. It looks like a real dried plant, so I love it. This is it, and it comes with 3 of them. I'm gonna go ahead and make this while I get ready to go real quick. morning. My face looks weird and shiny. It's because I got a mask on. I'm not feeling too well. I'm feeling too sick, so I'm trying to like brighten my face up. This whole week has just been crazy. I also trimmed my hair, so it's not giving what I wanted to give. So I put it up in a ponytail for now. Today, we are just gonna go ahead and decorate the living room, and yeah, maybe that'll brighten my mood and put me in a cheery mood. Again, we shall see. I am going to be going ahead and putting some Christmas decoration in the living room because yeah, I got some. Some of them are not exactly what I had planned for here, but then the ones that I wanted were gonna take longer, so yeah, we compromise and we move. So yeah, let's kind of get the living room together. Setting everything up. Now the only thing that I'm waiting for is the hook to hang this on the door on the outside. I got a doormat that says, I hope you brought wine, because whenever you're coming here, bring wine. It's looking pretty good from what I envisioned. I'm gonna have breakfast and get ready to go grocery shopping. All right, see y'all guys in a bit. Take this, take six, take this, faces famous, faces.